Okay, I'm going to test the first scale. I've only done one scale so far. I'm going to do the other scale on the other side. This didn't turn out great. I mean, it works. Well, let's find out if it works. So I've just set my compass at a pretty random radius. So I've got to go into the 6 and across to the other 6. That sets the width. And then let's say I want, oh, I'd better draw the circle. Ah, right, I'll draw the circle. I'd better reset that after. So draw the circle first. Right, now go to 6 and open it up to the other 6. Let's say I want to divide it into 5. So find the 5. I'll go across to the other 5. Let's see.
And this clip here would clip onto the sole of a shoe, and it was adjustable with this part of the wrench here. You would put on that little square tab, and by screwing this, it would expand and contract these two, which would lock onto your sole.
Was a little bit off there with my pricking out, but
quite durable, very noisy on the streets. You could hear these things a mile away, but interesting. And then the bottom they had. Over here, a hard rubber.
There's an error just showing up there.
That would allow a little bit of movement from left to right to get you to let you go.
So there you go. There's a.
Well designed.
I'll just get a pencil.
Everybody wanted them as kids. That was like on everybody's wish list. There was millions of these made.
And that's what I started out with, this meter ruler, and I cut it into bits.
Took it apart. By pulling it apart, we put the rear part on the back of a 2x4, and the front part on the front of a 2x4, and made me a crate scooter. And I remember I was the only kid that had a crate scooter back in the 70s. That was a real throwback from years gone by, but I wonder if any of you remember those crate scooters from early days. Let us know in the comments, did you have skates like these? Have you ever seen skates like these? I'm sure the younger guys don't.
And there's a pentagon. So you can do that with same principle. You set the radius using the 6, and you'll go up to a really big, let's work this out. It'll go up to a 6-inch radius, so a 12-inch. Just this 6-inch one will go up to a 12-inch circle, and divide up to, well, I've only marked out up to 12, but you can take that. The hinge I had problems with. You can see the gaps and stuff, and it's just, in principle it works. I should have made the hinge first and concentrated on the accuracy of the hinge, and then treated it as an inlay, putting it into this. But I mean, it kind of works. So I need to make the ruler wider when I make the proper one, because I want to scale down this outside edge. I'll only get 2 scales per side, and the outside scale, just the number ruler, ruler scale. So I'm going to now do the other one. Thanks for watching.